Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ken Fong, Senior Application Engineer for Solidworks Solutions from IME Technologies in Jalan Berhad. Thanks for joining us. Today our topic is Accelerate Product Design for Consumer Products. Let's see our agenda for today. First and foremost, I'm going to discuss on and present about the consumer product industry's overview and trend, what kind of requirements, and it could be the challenges that you might facing right now. With Solidworks Solutions and its capabilities, how it can actually help you to streamline the process of design product developments and also to shortcut the times and saving the cost. After all, we will have a summary and Q&A sessions as well. Feel free to ask us questions. First, nowadays the consumer product design is not only about engineering, but it also involves industrial design. To be an engineer, you are not only capable to doing mechanical design, but is more and more taking the roles as an industrial designer as part of their expanded roles. On the other hand, industrial designers are also taking more on the detailed design works. Not only that, the product life cycle is getting shorter due to the global competitions. Market is actually shrinking and short for the product development process. We need to be fast. We need to be the first players and the first markets or the pioneers for the design that we need to show to the customers. The time is the crucial or the most important things to be success or decide you as a failures. The demand is getting higher from the consumers or our customers. They need smaller, functional, and cheaper products. Consumers are more demanding to have a product in more convenience but stylish and with the competitive price with good performance. Last but not least, design can help you to win the business. How you can able to catch the people's eyes with a better designs. Design can make a big difference when our technology is more or less equivalent with our competitors. User experience can help us to decide we are the winners of the business or the market. Let's see what is the typical serial process when we develop our products. First of all, definitely you are going to have your project's concepts. Your detailed design will come after it, and also the tooling design when in order to plan for your productions and also the manufacturing sequence. And after all, we will only start to do our design validations to test on our products by having the prototypings, or maybe we generate the technical communications documents such as the brochures, marketings, and also the manual as well. Then we will only kickstart the entire process of the operations and the manufacturing. Throughout the process, most of the company they do not aware how to manage their documents along this serial process. Now we are not no longer to have this kind of process in order to make our decision making in an earlier stage. Solidworks propose a parallel process whereby you can doing your design, but at the same time start to do your design validations and technical communications documentation at the same times. We want to make sure our product go to the market fastest, and with the product data management or the project data management, it can help you to secure your data, and at the same time we make sure the correct revision and versionings is using the correct files, right data to the right persons. Let's see what all this solution can help in Solidworks. Solidworks have the mechanicals and the industrial design tools, which is the Solidworks 3D CADs. It makes you much easier to doing design because it's robust and proven by all the users that is very easy to learn software to draw the things in 3D and generate 2D technical drawings. It's easy to use and powerful and complete with all kind of tools to doing surfacing, solid modeling, and it is actually a hybrid modeling tools. It is fast. When after you generate the 3D CADs, you can produce a quality 2D drawings. You can reuse all the 2D data by saving them as a design libraries. You're also having the communication tool. It's actually as a communication tool for your customer to preview your design that you wish to go to the market. And not only that, most of our consumer product design will start from hand sketching, or maybe we're using some other tools to sketch out or drafting out the concepts. Solidworks enable you to import all these sketch pictures and put into the system to start your 3D modelings. Here you are a few slides to show to you what kind of capabilities of Solidworks solutions in 3D modelings can help you. First of all, interoperabilities. It enables you to read in the sketch pictures like JPEGs and other kinds of file formats, and it also compatible with the Adobe Illustrators. You can import these pictures into the Solidworks interface and start doing the surface modeling or even the solid modelings. If let's say you are not generate sketch pictures, you can also building up your own sketchings and also even the 3D sketch to build the surface from a single sketch. Software, Solidworks software, it actually also includes the curvature checking tools, which is the curve continuously checking tools to ensure all your surfacing is having the C2 matchings on the surface features. Here you are with the extensive set of advanced modelings, whereby you can actually use the tools and also the features to produce a very complex or even a very nice and free-forming surfacings in your consumer products. Apart from that, the surfacing also can be modified by versatilities of the surface tools, whereby you can import the existing models from a solid modelings and modify it to become a new product. Solidworks is actually enable hybrid solid and surface modelings. You have the capabilities and abilities to form a solid body from a surface body and back to solid bodies in the same part files. You no require to have different kind of interface or maybe the 3D platforms to generate the designs. The picture shows one of the samples that you can create a model designs from a solid, and then you delete a face and make it become a surface and form another new surface again, and you can actually knit back all the surfacings and back to solids. By using multi-body and master bodies, you can actually Solidworks is offer you an environment to generate a world-class hybrid modeling tools. You make your design can be more flexible and you work seamlessly between the surface and the solids. You can even render your products to make it like a real-time realistic materials. Apart from the 3D modelings, Solidworks is also able to add in the simulation tools to do design validations. We want to make sure our first design is the best design. The simulation tools enable the designer and engineers to learn and use it to generate the validations on our products, such as the stress, pressure analysis, the drop test, and fatigues, non-linear analysis. It can also using the plastic injections analysis, Solidworks plastic, to check on the filling times, the pressures, or to detect the possible risk to have the defects when the time having the plastic injection process. Solidworks also is the pioneer in sustainability design to use the life cycle assessment to check on our product and how it's actually affect on our environments. We want to do early decisions to check on the design alternative. It helps us to reduce the number of prototypes. It actually helps our company to save costs. To improve our communication from design to manufacturing is very important by using some tools. When the time we have the language barrier with our shop floor workers, or maybe you have the geographical obstacles with your customers or maybe your suppliers. Solidworks Composer is a tool to help you to create a great products communications, such as your technical documentations, marketing collaterals. You're having a very stunning graphical contents for all these technical communications. You can reuse all the SolidWorks 3D design data and generate all these technical documentations. You can use by non-CAD user. It's not necessary that you must have the engineering backgrounds. It eliminates to redraw or taking photograph. Save your time by starting technical communication earlier, and improve the qualities of product deliveries. This is the samples of the software that how to you reuse the SolidWorks 3D content data, read into the SolidWorks Composer and generate a stunning graphics, and you can output as videos, 2D PDF, images, and so on. With all kind of data with your hands, from design, analysis, and even generate the technical documentations. To manage them is one of the challenge as well, because we want to make sure the right data go to the right person at the right time. Solidworks Enterprise Pdm is a secure server maintenance box to help you to managing all your engineering data, such as drawings, engineering change notes, technical documentation, work instruction, and so on. It's easy to use because it is integrated with the Windows Explorer. It helps you to improve the process and communication by the digital approval workflows. Once you have the database, it helps you to having the fast searching capabilities for design review purpose and fast reportings. Last but not least, it can help your team to grow faster and make sure there are no errors by using the revision and history controls. Let's have a look on these videos to understand more how SolidWorks can help you in design.
Start. SolidWorks lets you more easily sell your product vision to your clients by visually presenting your designs earlier in the design process. Show your clients how it will look and how it will work. This gives your customer confidence in the finished product well before any manufacturing takes place. Additionally, early design visualization minimizes the effects of consumer-driven design changes on costs and timeframes. SolidWorks empowers you not only to show your products in their best light, but also to ensure that parts fit together the first time. Packaging designs typically start with concept sketches. SolidWorks enables you to reuse these sketches, quickly capture designs, and turn them into 3D models in no time at all. Design changes are effortless and instantaneous when you use SolidWorks, so you can deliver the final product faster. The shapes and surfaces of consumer packaged goods contribute significantly to buyer appeal. For more complex shapes, SolidWorks provides high-end surfacing and shape creation capabilities that are as easy to use as they are sophisticated. Tools such as Loft and Sweep handle most shape creation. But for more complex freeform styling, SolidWorks lets you simply push and pull surfaces to achieve the shapes you're looking for. Creating photorealistic images from SolidWorks models shows your clients how your products will look from early on in the design process and helps you to sell your product concepts. Adding colors and textures, product labels, and environments is as simple as drag and drop. SolidWorks has powerful, easy-to-use rendering tools that ensure all users can create stunning, realistic images in just minutes. While it's key to design products that function as required, you also want your design to align with the client's spec for weight, cost, lifespan, and environmental impact. Solidworks enables you to test your products in real-life situations, providing vital feedback and helping you to make upfront design and materials decisions that will help make your final product perfect. Whether it's changing how your product is transported or changing its materials, reducing environmental impact by a small amount can have a huge effect on large volume products. Solidworks Sustainability provides instant feedback so you can understand the impact of your product on the environment. Solidworks Sustainability also calculates financial impact to ensure you're making design choices with confidence. For injection molded parts, Solidworks Plastics makes it easy to identify and address potential manufacturing defects such as weld lines, air traps, and sink marks. Automated tools such as runner balancing empower you to improve the part or mold design, saving resources, time, and money. Using Solidworks, you can also test other manufacturing considerations. Draft, thickness, and undercut analysis ensure parts can be ejected from molds and help prevent costly side cores or specialist tooling. Solidworks also automates the mold design process, automatically creating core and cavity geometry direct from the part. Product communication, such as user manuals and assembly instructions, are often afterthoughts, or they're written when a product is ready for manufacture. Last-minute changes are costly to implement and can delay product release. With Solidworks Composer, documentation can be started earlier in the design. Content is created directly from the 3D model, and any design changes are updated automatically. Illustrations are quick to create with tools tailored for technical communication, such as detail views, rendering styles, arrows, and callouts, to name just a few. It's simple to incorporate your illustrations into the publishing tool of your choice, so content creation is seamless. You can also easily create 3D interactive content that adds extra value to your offerings and differentiates your products from the competition. Testing many design iterations early in the design process can save you time, reduce rework, and improve product quality. With Solidworks Enterprise Pdm, changes to your design appear in all deliverables such as drawings, renderings, simulation, and technical communications. This ensures that all components of the design are working from one common definition. As a result, errors are all but eliminated. Fully configurable to your own company standards and compliant to many industry standards, Solidworks Enterprise Pdm manages all design files and ensures appropriate workflows and procedures are followed. All of the design stages, including approvals and change orders, can be managed and communicated throughout the company. This keeps the entire team, no matter where they're located, up to date of any changes to the design. Many companies in the consumer packaged goods industry rely on Solidworks 3D CAD solutions to simplify design tasks and help them create great products at low cost without sacrificing quality or performance. To learn more about Solidworks products, contact your Solidworks reseller or browse this site further.
Hope you can learn more within 22 minutes presentation and the videos regarding how Solidworks solution add value to your consumer products industries. Before we end our presentation and webinar sessions today, let me share with you some of our customers that utilizing Solidworks solutions to help them and product development process, such as Hosiden Electronics Senjam Berhad, that generate the electrical consumers products, Panasonic, that design fans and air cons, Faber-Castell, that you not even know your pen might be actually designed by using Solidworks. Prove to you, Solidworks solution is the best platform and tools in your product and developments in consumer product industries. Here with our partial customer list from different industries such as stationery, jewelries, toiletries products, the door locks securities products, electrical components products, plastics products for materials, bottles, helmets and box, the aircon that in your office, or maybe the fan in your house, the securities, remote controls products, big bottles, the decorations, consumer products, or even the security tools on roads, or maybe furnitures. They are all our customers that have been used Solidworks for many years. That's all for the presentation and webinar for today's. Don't forget, if you would like to know more about us, please help us to like our Facebook page and our blogspot as well. I'm Ken Fong, Senior Application Engineer, and I'm happy to share with you how Solidworks can add value to your industries. If you want to know more or if you have any inquiry, please feel free to add my Skype, which my Skype ID also shown on the screens, or email to us. You can also get more information regarding us from our website www.catcam.com.my, www.imetech.com.my, or call to our hotlines for any technical support. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again.